Hey guys, it is definitely the perfect time of year again. It is fall, y'all. And today I am participating in the I Love Fall Most of All close collaboration where we will be sharing with you our front entryway um, style designs, makeover, refresh. As you can see here, my hubby has already started by trimming the hedges, cutting back the roses. This is a mess. We've had some people working around, and so they kind of messed up my lighting out here. So I have to refresh that. But we're waiting for some pine straw to go in that space there. I've purchased some plants here from Lowe's. My hope and my desire is to use a can of spray black paint to change out those planters. Not sure if I'll be able to do that or not. They are extremely heavy, so we'll need to get some help. A little blue chair there, I want to paint it black. So guys, I have a lot of work to do and a little bit of time to do it in. So stick with me and I hope you will like the outcome. My flag, I want to change it out from my spring and summer flag to a more appropriate flag for the fall. Change out my wreath to a fall wreath or something that can work as a fall wreath. My also plan is to wash down the railing coming down. So like I said, I do have a lot of work to do. So as you can see, the straw has arrived. So guys, hubby is happy. His straw has been delivered. He loves that long needle pine straw. He likes the fluffiness that it gives the space. So this is what we have here. Shrubberies and everything has been trimmed back, cut back. Straw has been dispersed. Now all I have to do is the decorating part of it. So I'm going to take you up to the front porch, and this is the mess I have right now. But guys, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to clean this all up. Maybe with just a few cans of paint and a few accessories.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and guys, I welcome you to my home once again. As always, I want you to feel welcomed. So go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax. This is going to be a collaboration, and it's a closed collaboration, which means that there are three of us that will be bringing to you guys some amazing ideas as to how you too can decorate your front entryway, your porch, whatever, and do it on a budget. Now, the things that I will be sharing with you will be like I took my chair that normally sits here and is normally blue, I painted it black. A wreath that I found for $2 and some change at consignment, tied some old ribbon together and made a beautiful big bow to bring you a very nice and beautiful wreath, and some other things that I may have purchased, but trust and believe it was on a budget. I changed out my rug, so yes, I did buy a new rug, and of course that was at 50% off. Don't know exactly where I got that from, but I'll tell you as we get to that. But guys, the host for this collaboration is At Home with Lisa and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. They reached out and asked if I would participate with them. And of course, your girl had to say yes because these ladies are amazing. Home decor, shopping, DIYs, cooking, they will give it all to you. So I will have their links in my description box below. Please make sure you go over and show them lots of love. Now I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what I'm going to do to make this over. Now you see it in the raw and the bare. Now my planters here, they are too heavy to move, and so I will not be moving them. I will not be painting them. I am going to use them with the patina that they are providing, which is not what I want, but I'm going to go with it. Okay, so let me get started. First I need to clean my door here. and do a little sweeping off, and then we'll start with the styling. Is that cool? That's cool.
Okay guys, it looks like we have made it. The straw is looking really good. That mum is from my garden. It grows back every year just as big. That pot you see there, that restoration hardware pot, I don't know where we got it from, but it's been sitting in this space for a couple of years. We just left that begonia in there because it was looking really good still. Those two lanterns there, I just placed that pumpkin there because someone gifted me that pumpkin. I only had one pumpkin, and so I just left it there. So then we're going to go ahead, guys, and take you up to the front of the porch. On our way, we're going to take a look at this flag here. I saw this flag at one of our consignment stores here in town, and I fell in love with this one along with another one, but I decided to put this one out for today. It was something about the leopard print, the plaid, and the polka dots inside with that black background and the tan. The welcome, I just loved it. So I decided I'd go with this one. And then guys, we're gonna go ahead on up front. You will see where I placed the plants that I shared earlier. You will see where I placed the mums. I have 3 of those mums in pots. My planters, you're going to be surprised to see that hubby painted them black. The neighbors were able to help him get them, and we were able to get them painted. He painted them for me. I don't think he liked them that blue either after he saw the direction in which I was going with. So this is my wreath on the door. I add a little swag over there in the corner. So guys, keep watching, enjoy the music, and then next I will take you on the inside. So guys, you will also see the swag that I created in the corner there is a DIY. I just felt like I needed something in that space, especially over that candle holder there. That it's a wrought iron candle holder. And then I have my little boxwood, a ball there inside that planter. These are my mom's. I love those colors. The rugs are from Hobby Lobby. The chair coverings are from Amazon. So guys, I'm going to take you on the inside next.
Oh, hey guys, welcome. Come on into my humble abode and let me share with you what I have done to decorate for the fall season. Now this is part of a collaboration, so I'm going to share with you my front entryway.
All right guys, we are now inside.
You've seen what I offered to you on the outside, but now we are inside entering the home, and this is what you will see as you enter in. So first I'm going to start here at this round table. I've added in somewhat of a little pumpkin patch with some very beautiful, very elegant little pumpkins here. And these are some that I purchased from Amazon. All of these came in, I think, a package together. But this is not what is going to get your attention. It is this gorgeous planter here. And guys, I purchased this planter from Grandin Road, and I have been watching it, waiting for the sale day to come. And when it hit, of course, I was on it. Now they have this not only in this black and white and gold, but they also have it in a neutral tan and white. I wanted this one here because this is some of the colors that I will be using throughout my home. I'm not doing a lot of fall decorating, just sprinkling a little fall throughout the home. But inside of this planter, guys, I have added in these gorgeous jewel tone picks here that I purchased from the Z Gallery with the sequin, and these are just absolutely beautiful. I thought it would be that perfect pop for here in the front as you walk in. Hopefully it will give you that wow factor. But also in the vase, I have these peonies that I've added, some other little picks and floral pieces that I've added throughout to give us this marvelous look here in the front. I placed this little gold and gemmed candle holder here. I did not want to add a candle in here because I just didn't want to. I mean, I could have, but I just decided not to. But everything in this vignette here is, I am basing it upon this gorgeous pillow, guys. And this pillow, I wanted it to serve as somewhat of my backdrop here in this space. This is what you see. This pillow is so soft. It is a Mackenzie Childs pillow that I purchased from Belk. I don't know if you guys shop at Belk and get those Belk bucks, but yeah, I had enough that I was able to get this pillow, because at the price of that pillow, I would not pay ordinarily the price for that, not with, yeah, I just wouldn't do that. But I thought all of this worked very, very well here in this space. And then on the bottom of the table, I've added just two little gold pumpkins. One is sequin and the other one is kind of like that broken mercury glass and gold. And then this tree is of the paper mache trees that you get from Hobby Lobby, and I just covered it with contact paper, and this is one I've created a couple years ago. So I decided I would just add it here in this space. Now this is sitting directly in front of my clock here, so I thought that would be a great little look as you walk in. And then we're going to go over to the next space that's here. So here is our next arrangement. And this is what I want to represent my front entrance. It's beautiful arrangements as you walk in. This little table, I generally leave it here. It's been here for years because the space is so small. It works perfectly for it. But this arrangement is very massive, and I just love the way it looks. I added in more of those pics from the Z Gallery from the other vase. And then we have some these beautiful flowers here, and my mind has just gone completely blank. However, yeah, these are some of my favorite bushes here. Wisteria is what they are called. These wisteria bushes here. Added in some more of these little peonies here, and just all kinds of beautiful floral pieces to give somewhat another luxe look here in the front. So as you walk in through my front door, I am actually backing up. I brought you from the outside to the inside, and this is that look that you will see once you open the door. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the Entryway Makeover. Please don't forget to go over and check out the other two hosts for this collaboration. And that again is At Home with Lisa and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. And if you are new from either of those channels, I thank you so much for stopping by. And guys, I hope you've enjoyed the look that we are giving you guys today. Hopefully, we have shared something with you, giving you some type of inspiration or motivation for you to bring your space together. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed my cozy fall vibes from the outside to the in and from the in to the out. Be blessed, take care, and until the next video, I am your host here, Gigi Faison.